All right, hey everybody, what is going on? Should be a credit, Nicholas. We're getting out of that. It's an exit. Let me make sure what that looks like. Quick update on that Spotify exit. I see. Hang on. Of course, now it wants to be slow. And it's a credit. It's a credit. But let me put that out there. Let's do a quick update on the day, though. Let's see. The markets are up. The comp is up over 1%. You wouldn't know it by the market, movements or the action. There's just really nothing going on. We got initial moves up in the day. Let's just get a SPY chart up here. SPY chart. You can see we just got initial move in the first hour, and then it's just been sideways. So binary move, ramp and camp. We tried to catch a few of these on the way up. We got a little bit down ticked on Disney and Roku, and we'll see if anything else. Baidu did not quite get to where we need to go. We had it set and never got it, and then it took off from there. So, this is going to be the MO for the week, folks. It's going to be slow, and it's probably going to get slower as the week goes on.